How to add device to Google Find My Device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can add device to Google Find My Device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, ensure that Google account is linked to the device. So for that, on your Android device, go to the settings. Here scroll down and tap on passwords and accounts. Now here you have to make sure that your Google account is listed here. If not, add your Google account by tapping on the add account and then add your Google account. Tap on Google and add your account. Now once you have added your account, again you have to go to the settings and enable location. For that, on the settings, tap on location and make sure that the location is turned on in your mobile device. Once that, in order to verify if the device is visible on Find My Device, you have to open up a browser and then here in the search bar type in Find My Device. Go to Find My Device and here you have to sign in with the Google account linked to the device. After that, you should see the device listed. If not, make sure that the device is connected to the internet and the location is enabled. And that's all for today's video. Once you have completed the steps, your device will be added to Google Find My Device and you can track or remotely manage it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.